Good morning, friends. It's Julie at Quilts Plus. Happy Monday. Today is Wool Club here at Quilts Plus. We do this the third Monday of the month, and this is a wonderful club to be a part of. Whether you've been sewing by hand for years, so a seasoned sewer by hand, or you're just looking to do something new and special, this Wool Club is for you. Today we are celebrating Christmas with our wool group. You are welcome to stop in and see what all the fun is about. We also have some beautiful new kits in just in time for today, and these are so beautiful and they're one of a kind. So I want to share a few things with you. You're going to see a few here, but I have some that I've been kind of holding back a bit. This one is really sweet. It's called Santa and Company penny rug, and I'm going to try to hold that up for you. Sometimes with the plastic it's a little tricky to see it, but it comes within this kit. Let me see if I can pull this out so you can just see it a little bit better. I always like to be able to see those wools as I'm pulling them out, and you know the plastic just doesn't help. So I'm going to pull those out. Look at those beautiful wools. Those gorgeous. So this is called Santa and Company penny rug. Pull that out for you. This retails for $46, and because we're having Wool Club today, we are celebrating by giving 10% off. So if you would like to come and purchase this, you can. One way to really get in on this penny rug today is we have one of these. I'm going to show you a few more items as well. To get in on these special deals for Monday for our Wool Club, you are going to just let us know that. Give us a call on our phone. That's the best way to reach us. We've had some folks who've tried to email us during the day, and it's been so hectic we haven't gotten the email or replied on Facebook. We just always say call us on the phone. It's 269-383-1790. This is the penny rug that has the Santa on there. Let me get there. I've got a few other ones that I just had to highlight. Let me get this one here. Okay, this one is called Oh Christmas Tree. They're so pretty. So I'm just going to pull them out of the package so it's easier for you to see. This is a pattern by Liliana Stitches. I'm going to try to hold that up for you. I'm again going to pull it out of the packaging so you can see the wools. Yeah, it just makes a huge difference pulling it out of there. And you have all the pieces, excuse me, you have all the pieces that you need to make this. And then this is that pretty pattern for that banner. Let me see what the size is. I know you're going to ask me that question. So this is a 16 by 16 pattern, that Oh Christmas Tree, and you can see those Christmas trees. It's just lovely. And then we've got those wools to go with it that you can see. We also had additionally, if you said, Julie, I want to get additional wools to go with this, this is fine. We have them here. I've been having fun purchasing those for you. Oh yes, the kit for this is $37. Again, very reasonable and very affordable. We want to make that for you. There's one of these as well. So make sure you write that down so you know what you want to get. I've got another one here. I've got a few more to show you. So I also have this one. It's by Primitive Gatherings. It's called Merry Christmas Wreath. This is a 22 by 22 size, and they featured this as a pillow. And I'm going to turn this over. You'll be able to see these wools, and you can see there's a lot of that background is that cream, and then you've got that red and that pinky color that really highlights your flowers in here that are put on. And then you have some beautiful stitchery that you're able to do with this. Again, wanting to feature this so you can see it. This one is $28. Again, because you're listening to me today, we're going to give you 10% off when you come in to get this, or if you give us a call, we have one of these as well. I know it's kind of crazy, but because of the holidays, we get in limited stock because we also know that Christmas comes kind of quickly, and it is coming quickly, but this would be a great something special gift for you or for a friend. Really lovely. Again, you can call us on this one. I have another one I'm going to grab. It's hiding around the corner. So let me get it over here. Oh, she's hiding. I don't know where she went. Oh, here she is. This is what happens when you're in the wool corner. There's all kinds of things that you can see. So this is Peace, Love, and Joy. Isn't this beautiful? This is by Primitive Gatherings as well. This is a finished size of 18 by 18. You can see that. Look at all the stitches there. Aren't those beautiful? This is a $23 pattern with kit. So again, you've got all your wools in there as well. I think it's actually 28. I'm sorry, I misspoke. It's $28. And you've got that cream, that red, that green, and that black background. Isn't that beautiful? So this is available as well. Give us a call on that. I apologize, I had the, you know what? It's hard to keep up on all these things. Now, that's not all we have here in the wool corner. We have beautiful needles that have come in as well. So if you say, Julie, I want something that I can just start small, we also have small projects as well. And you can kind of see behind me these smaller little banners. This one is a really sweet one. And we have the wools here, so you can just get some small wool bundles to go along with this, your needles. And then we even have a specialty little book that goes with that as well. It's called Hand Embroidery Stitches at a Glance. Look at, it's so great. This is $8.50, but it gets you started, and you've got your little your needles to go with it. The needles are $6. Then we have threads. We actually have a nice pack of them, and I'm gonna grab them. You're gonna see me walk over here. So we have packs of threads as well. Again, reasonable, $10.75, but because it's Wool Day today, we're gonna give you all 10% off as a Merry Christmas. So come in to Quilts Plus, enjoy shopping with us. We can't wait to have you. Again, Merry Christmas from Quilts Plus. Come on in. We are here 10 to 5 today and the rest of the week. On Saturday though, for Christmas Eve, we're gonna be open just 10 to 1. We know there's last minute gifts that the husbands need to get, or you're getting for a friend or a sister, or you know, a family member. So we are going to be doing gift certificates that day. I'm going to be here, Wendy's going to be here, and my family's actually going to be here too. So you're welcome to come stop in, and we'll just wish you Merry Christmas. Everybody take care. Give us a call again at 269-383-1790 for these special deals today. Thank you.